Yeah, so welcome to Mwalimu Ignatius Wahome YouTube channel for mathematics subject. So today we are going to learn a topic called sequences and series in Form 3. So this is Form 3 mathematics. So karibu sana. So therefore, I have provided a question here. As you can see, on sequences and series. So let's see, how do you work out this kind of question? So the question reads like this. The first term of an arithmetic progression in bracket AP is 3. And the sum of the first n terms of the AP is 210. So what you need to know, solution here, mother working for question part A, number 1, you are told find the common difference of the AP. So find the common difference. So what are you supposed to do in this question? You are supposed to find to understand when you talk of the AP, when you talk of AP, we are talking of the arithmetic progression, that the difference between any two consecutive terms is common. So therefore, it is common difference. So therefore, AP. So the first term is given by A. Because nth term is given by A plus n minus 1d as the formula. You're supposed to use A plus n minus 1d. A plus n minus 1d. So therefore, the nth term is given by A plus n minus 1d. So when you talk of first term, A is 3, meaning n is 1. So therefore, if you take A plus 1 minus 1d, this is 0, you still get A. Our A is 3. So that is how we get the first term. So that is how we get the first term of that AP. So then, you are told the sum of the first n terms, 10 terms of the AP is 210. So sum of AP. The formula of sum of AP is given by Sn, sum of n terms, is given by n over 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. So that's what you're supposed to get. So that's the formula. So for you to find now the common difference, Sn we are already given, sum is 210. So therefore Sn equals to 210. So you say 210 is equal to n over 2. N is 10 because you're talking of the first 10 terms. Our n is 10. So 10 over 2, bracket, 2a, what is our a? Our a is 3, 2 times 3 like that. Then plus 10 minus 1d equals the bracket. You want to find for d there. So therefore, you get 210 is equal to 5 into bracket 6 plus 9d. You get that? 6 plus 90. Then from there, what do? You can open the bracket. You can open this bracket and say, open this bracket, multiply both sides by 5. We say 210 is equal to 30 plus 45d. Once you open the bracket, that bracket you open by multiplying by 5. Then to get the d there, so you can come here and say this is 210. You can get this is 210. 210 minus 30 equals to 45d. Once you take this 30 to the left, you get this is 210 minus 30. You get 180 equals to 45d. Therefore, so what do? Divide both sides by 45. Divide by 45. So our D, common difference, is equals to 4. That is, when you divide 180 by 45, you get 4. So the common difference is 4. That's how you get it. So the common difference is 4. The common difference is 4. So that's what you're supposed to do. So that's what you're supposed to do to get that. So I want us to go to the next question. Number 2. Second number 2. So the question reads, given that the last term of the AP is 189, find the number of terms of the AP. Given that the last term of the AP is 199. Find the number of terms of the AP. So therefore, we can love this. Love this one. Go to B. We go to B. The sum or the first sum of the first n terms. Sorry, not the sum, the last term. We are told the last term. Last term, this is number 2. The last term is 199. So in this case, the last term is also the nth term. The last term is also the nth term. So the last term is the nth term. So therefore, the nth term of AP is given by a plus n minus 1 to bracket d. So it's equals to 199. What do you know? We know of A is 3 and we know D is 4. When you substitute and get n, substitute there because you already have D is 4. And we know that A is 3 and D is 4. So what do you do? Take 3 plus n minus 1 times 4 is equal to 189. Equals to 189. So therefore, open this bracket to get 3 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 189. Equals to 189. Equals to 189 there. So therefore, divide this. Take 3 minus 4. You get 4n minus 1 is equal to 199. Equals to 199. So therefore, take minus 1 to the right. Because this was minus to the right becomes positive. So 199 plus 1. So 4n equals to 200. So 4n equals to 200. So therefore 4n equals to 200. So what is n? Find n there now. Find n. N is equals to 50. The value of n equals to 50. The value of n divided by 4, divided by 4. So n is equals to 50. Value of n. So that is how you find the number of terms. So that is how you get the number of terms of that question. So that is what you're supposed to do in that question. So that is the number of terms. So that's how you work out that kind of question. So you need to understand the formula of the nth term of AP is got by formula A plus n minus 1d, and then sum of AP is got by Sn, that is the sum of n terms, equals to n over 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. So that therefore, basically, those are the formulas that you are supposed to understand to get the nth term of that and the sum, so that you're able to apply that. So that is how we deal with that kind of question. So thank you very much for the lesson. So that was Mwalimu Ignatius Wahome. Karibu sana. So remember to subscribe at the end of the lesson. So karibu sana. Mwalimu Ignatius Wahome. Asante sana.